Prince Edward Island, often referred to as PEI, is a charming and picturesque Canadian province located on the eastern coast of the country. This enchanting island, the smallest province in Canada, is renowned for its stunning landscapes, warm hospitality, and a rich cultural heritage that captivates the hearts of all who visit. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, a history buff, a foodie, or simply seeking a relaxing getaway, Prince Edward Island offers an array of activities and attractions to suit every traveler's interests. Nature lovers will be enthralled by the island's natural beauty. The rolling hills, lush green fields, and vibrant red soil create a stunning backdrop for outdoor adventures. Prince Edward Island is famous for its pristine beaches, with the most famous being the Cavendish Beach, which stretches for miles along the northern shore. These sandy shores are perfect for sunbathing, beachcombing, and water sports like kayaking and windsurfing. The island's coastline is also dotted with charming fishing villages, such as North Rustico and Victoria by the Sea, where you can experience the authentic maritime way of life. One of the island's most iconic attractions is the Green Gables Heritage Place, which served as the inspiration for Lucy Maud Montgomery's beloved Anne of Green Gables novels. Visitors can explore the farmhouse, gardens, and trails that bring Anne's world to life. Additionally, history enthusiasts can delve into PEI's rich past at places like the Prince Edward Island Museum and Heritage Foundation, where they can learn about the island's Indigenous history, early European settlers, and its role in the Confederation of Canada. Culinary delights await food lovers on Prince Edward Island. The island is renowned for its fresh seafood, particularly its world-famous lobster and succulent mussels. Be sure to indulge in a traditional lobster supper, a must-try culinary experience that showcases the island's maritime flavors. Additionally, the island's fertile soil yields a bounty of fresh produce, making it a haven for farm-to-table cuisine. Don't miss the opportunity to visit local farmers' markets, where you can sample artisanal cheeses, preserves, and other delectable treats. For those seeking outdoor adventures, PEI offers an abundance of activities such as cycling along the Confederation Trail, a scenic 435-kilometer network of trails that crisscross the island. Golf enthusiasts can tee off at some of the island's world-class golf courses, including the renowned links at Crowbush Cove. The island is also a birdwatcher's paradise, with numerous bird species inhabiting its wetlands and coastal areas. Cultural enthusiasts will find plenty of entertainment in the island's vibrant arts scene. Attend a live performance at the Confederation Center of the Arts in Charlottetown, which hosts theatrical productions, musicals, and concerts throughout the year. You can also explore local art galleries and craft shops to discover the work of talented island artists. Whether you're exploring the picturesque landscapes, immersing yourself in history and culture, savoring delectable cuisine, or embarking on outdoor adventures, Prince Edward Island offers an unforgettable experience that celebrates the very essence of maritime Canada. Its warm and welcoming communities, stunning natural beauty, and rich cultural heritage make it a must-visit destination for travelers from around the world. Whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, or a taste of island life, PEI has something to offer everyone, making it a true gem in Canada's tourism landscape.